Welcome back to New Day Cleveland. Give the gift of good health. And that's thanks to Maggie Osborne from Brighton Wool and Honey. She joins us right now. I'm so excited. I thought Natalie was going to get a chance to talk to you, and it's me. I'm so happy to see you. How are you?
Hey, good. I'm glad to be with you.
That's terrific. Hey, are we talking about elderberry honey?
So actually what we have is elderberry syrup kits. These you combine with the honey. Both are super rich in antioxidants, great for boosting the immune system. They are they're just really rich in all the good things for the body. So they taste delicious. Takes about half an hour to make, and you've got months of elderberry syrup as a supply for yourself.
Yeah, I guess everybody's looking for a way to be more healthy in a natural way, and this is certainly a step in the right direction. So do you ever pick elderberries? Do you ever see them?
We do. We have to supplement a little bit. These are all organic, and there's some spices, some cinnamon and ginger and cloves that go in there. So your house smells amazing after you make it as well. And it's just a great gift just to let somebody know you're thinking of them, especially during this time.
Yeah, I remember picking those when I was a little kid. They almost look like Queen Anne's lace, and they get berries on them. And, you know, I guess if city folk were walking around in the woods, they wouldn't know what they are. It's so peculiar, isn't it?
And they're everywhere, for sure.
What other secrets do you have for us today?
So we wanted to show everybody just small gifts you could send to people during this time. Just to let them know you're thinking of them, send a little bit of love. One of our most popular gift sets, we have a lot of gift sets on our website, but one of our most popular is great for anybody trying to go to a more eco-friendly home. We've showcased these products before, but this is our all-natural laundry soap. You get about 100 loads per jar with this. Super fresh, clean clothes, all natural. Those come with our felted wool dryer balls.
Oh,
These
yeah.
help reduce static, reduce drying time. They are reusable and great for many, many years. So you get a lot of use out of those. And one last thing in that one, we have an all-natural bar soap. You can pick your scent. We also have these handmade wooden soap dishes it comes with. So it just makes a really nice three-piece gift set here. You know, once again, just to let somebody know you're thinking about them.
Hey, tell me a little bit about that natural soap. What makes that soap better or nicer for your skin than some of the soaps that you buy commercially?
Oh, yeah. So this is
where do you start?
I mean, really. Well, there's nothing synthetic. It's all natural. Everything from nature. Leaves your skin really soft, really nourished. It's got a lot of skin nourishing properties. It has our beeswax. It has real goat's milk in there. And all essential oils, olive oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter. You're clean and fresh without feeling this, weird sensation on your skin afterwards. It just feels good.
Yeah, I bet when we started this segment, before we even talked about that soap, people were watching and go like, wow, that lady has beautiful skin. So now they know why and how. How about that, huh?
You're good.
Oh, thank you very much. Hey, I want one more thing, going back to that detergent that you put in the washer. A lot of people end up with all these different kind of skin problems. They have rashes, and they don't know what's causing it. And do you think sometimes it can be these harsh detergents that we use, and how would that help them be better?
Oh, absolutely. We have most people who come to us come because they have skin sensitivities. So whether it's for cloth diapers, we've used it for all three of our children. And everybody who uses this enjoys it just because it cleans and it's good for you and the environment all at the same time. We offer jar returns, so anybody who can find us locally can bring their empty jar back. They get $1 off for their next one. So we do like to recycle and, just anything we can do to keep the earth healthy and happy as well as everybody else.
Yeah, and this war against mega germs, this all sounds like good advice to me. We only have a couple seconds left, so where can we buy your stuff and how do we get a hold of you?
You can find us online. We do a farmer's market down in Peninsula every Saturday. We are at a few retail locations around Cleveland. This is all on our website. You can find lots of information there. Call us, email us. We actually have a special coupon code we're offering today for your viewers. It's New Day CLE for 15% off your order.
That's nice. That's very nice. So you're going to be in Peninsula. Go check it out. It's in the National Park, which is the 13th most visited national park in the United States. How about that? It must be because of you, your beautiful skin, your soap, and all your wonderful detergents. I love the elderberry honey, too. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we're going to keep the fun going.